How to send long videos in Messenger. Generally, Messenger allows you to share any kind of video. If still doesn't work for you, follows this steps. Open Photos app or Files application on your device. Go to the video you want to share. Upload your video to any cloud storage service. That may be iCloud, Drive, and Dropbox, etc. If you uploaded a video in iCloud, just tap on the share button at bottom of the screen. An option will pop up. In this, scroll down and tap on Copy iCloud link. Then go to the Messenger chat you want to share. Paste here and send it. As like the same, upload the video into Drive. Once uploaded, go back. Open Drive app. Go to the video, tap on it. At the top of the screen, you will see 3 lines. Click on it. Then click on Copy the link. Go back to the Messenger chat. Share the link to that video via Messenger. Your recipient can view and download the video directly from the link. This method is great because there's no limit on the video size you can send. And that's it.